Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this original image for a long time ago. I just colorized yesterday. I add colors, this layer and these layers. This is for sky, painted different colors. I'm gonna merge down these. Well, select multiple 1, 2, 3 original image, then merge selected to get one image. Now this is one layer, and I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges based on black and white image from this, right? Well, these images, I'm gonna get something different image today, and let's see. I tried to make some illustration type image. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to turn on this pencil drawing type image. Then let's see, change blend mode. Overlay. It's kind of nice though. Already illustration type image color wise. Much more saturated color. What else do we have? Well, luminosity. This is pretty nice, subtle colors. But the overlays, pretty nice, I think. Yeah. Okay. Let's see this, and maybe easy to make. Okay, duplicate this original image, one base image. I'm going to duplicate this layer. Then bring this one up to this pencil drawing type image. Then tone down, opacity down to about, well, let's see, 35 now. Then turn it off. We got this overlay effect layer on this pencil drawing type image. Now again, I'm going to duplicate this pencil drawing type image. Then when it go up, then change blend mode to darken, so we can see through underneath of the image. Then turn on this. This is 40%, 35%. Turn on. If I smudge this layer, then get something like color burn, or maybe linear burn something. Yeah, let me see. Let's check it out after smudge this base image. Okay, let's try this. But I want some white border outlines, so I'm gonna change the canvas size before touch smudge, and height 4250. Yeah, done. Okay, we got the white border outlines. Then let's see, just bring back to normal. Then I'm gonna smudge this layer. Well, smudging with pastel square, which I get used to it. Okay. Okay, now smudging pretty big size, to smudge all outside, real rough. Then small size for outlines of the models. Okay, bigger size of the brush for outside. Alright, I guess almost. Okay, almost done. Post smudge show the image pretty much. Yeah, I'm gonna touch up some. Okay, this is smudged base. This is pencil drawing type image, two of them. Okay, now I'm gonna move this original base image and this pencil drawing type image. Select both. Want to move this one, just change the order. Move this one up, turn it off. We see now pencil drawing type image, overlay, and this is smudged base, normal 100%. To see this, right? Then I'm going to change this regular image. I haven't smudged, just straight image. Turn on, then change opacity. About 40. Then change normal. Color burn. 50. Overlay. This is base image. Just not bad contrast wise. 80%. This base image. Then let me see, turn on this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to darken so we can see through these lines. Let's see about this opacity. Overlay 100%. I don't think I need this pencil drawing type image. Not much. Just lighten up some. No, I don't think I need. This is smudged base image. Then this one is just regular base image. Change blend mode to overlay. Then this is pencil drawing type image. Just change blend mode to darken. Okay, we got some texture of the brush from this base image. Smudged. So I'm gonna touch up this smudged base image. I think I add layer for color over this. This is normal blend mode. Yeah, then I'm gonna choose painting 2, well, red brush 2. Then I'm gonna smudge. That's interesting. Brush is wet brush 2. New finding. Add color on this color layer, then normal blend mode, then smudge. Well, that's interesting, huh? Okay. Now I guess that's kinda interesting, but now looks like just a photograph, right? So this one is pretty interesting, so I'm gonna add some different colors, like that's interesting, very interesting. Look at this. Okay, same thing. Let me see, what if I change this normal to color? Color's alright. Okay, just leave it color blend mode. Okay, that's I think very interesting. Well, now one more thing. I want to make some variation to keep it. Okay, I'm not using this pencil drawing type image, so I'm gonna delete this. This is a regular pencil drawing type image. We have two of them, so I'm gonna delete. Now we have color and this is overlay. Now I'm gonna add one more layer on top, then fill in this with white. Pixel layer. Now I'm going to create empty mask. Then I want to try hide this layer with roughing brush. Some kind of oil paint like image, isn't it? The texture of the brush. Okay, pretty much done for mask, and now I want to add some dark colors on this smudged base with the used same brush. Yep. Alright. Okay, I guess that's it. Well, that's it for today, and pretty much interesting image. Like a oil paint type image. I was gonna do some kind of dry media pastel color, but happened to be kind of oil paint type texture and different expression. Okay, pretty much touch up done. Okay, I guess this is one of the variations. Okay, this is second one. I'm gonna delete this. Well, actually, I'm going to change this mask. Yeah, just clear mask. Cut mask, huh? Then, okay, this time I'm going to review this. Well, mask. Hide this white layer with. Change the brush to dry media. Now I usually use pastel square. Now I want to see this time this pencil drawing type image move up so we can see dark line hide this white layer. Well, I think this is it for now. I mean, this is it for this image. I hope you're gonna feel like some kind of nice wind comes through this illustration. Feel like a nice, some kind of one day in the summertime, huh? Well, that's it for this is another variation, and I like this kind of light image. Yep, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work to make some adding color. After that, change blend mode to make some kind of illustration, some kind of image you like. And well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Dry media. Yup.